Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are doing good. Today we are going to do ORT Reader Gran. According to the learning objectives, lesson is divided into two chunks. First, we will make the predictions about the story. After that, I'll read the story and explain it to you. Now look at the cover page. Title of the story is Gran. It's an informal way to call the grandma. Some people address their grandmother as a gran or granny. Now let's make some predictions about the story. Tell me, who can you see in the picture? Yes, you are right. There are some children with an old lady. What do you think? Who is that old lady? Yeah, you are absolutely right. She might be the Gran. You can see the excitement of the children as the lady bounces. What do you say? Where are they? Yes, they might be jumping on a mattress or on a jumping castle. Now let's read the story to see where they are and whose Gran is she. Open your book and come on page number 1. You have to listen to the story attentively. A car came to the house. The children ran to see. "It's Gran," said Kipper. In the picture you can see that an old blue car entered in the house and the children were excited to see their Gran. Turn to page number 2. "Come in," said Mum. "Come in," said Dad. Mum and Dad were greeting Gran. Come on, page number 3. The children helped. They took Gran's things. "What a lot of things," said Kipper. Turn to page number 4. The children liked Gran, and Gran liked the children. Page number 5. "Come and see my toys," said Kipper. "Come and see my room," said Biff. "Come and play," said Chip. All the children were calling Gran because Gran was very friendly, loving, and kind to the children. Now come to page number 6. Gran played with the children. They played inside. "Oh no," said Mum. When the Gran was playing blindfold with the children in the room, at that time she broke a vase. Come on, page number 7. They went outside and played football. "Oh no," said Dad. After that, Gran came outside with the children and they decided to play football. While playing, she broke the window pane. Now come on, page number 8 and 9. Gran took the children out. They went in Gran's old car. Wilf and Wilma went too. "What an old car," said Wilf. "It's a good car," said Gran. When Gran was taking the children out, Wilf and Wilma also joined them. Now let's see, where did they go? Come on, page number 10. Gran took them to the fun park. "This looks fun," said Gran. "Come on, everyone." Come on, page number 11. The children began to run. They wanted to go on everything. "Come on, Gran," they called. Actually, the children were so much excited to go on everything. That's why they were calling Gran. Now come on, page number 12. "Look at this," said Kipper. "It's a castle. It's called the Jumping Castle." The children went on the jumping castle. "This is fun," called Wilma. The children were excited, and Kipper was trying to go on the jumping castle too. Near the Gran, you can see a signboard. And what's written on it? Children only? It means that only children can go and enjoy on the jumping castle. Now come on the next page. It's page number 14 and 15. The children jumped and bounced and bounced. Come on, Gran, they called. Gran went on the castle. She jumped and bounced. Good old Gran, called the children. When the children were enjoying on the jumping castle, they couldn't stop themselves. They called Gran also. Gran joined them and started jumping and bouncing. When they were enjoying, at the same time her purse opened and all the things came out and spread on the jumping castle. Now let's see what happened. Come on, page number 16. Gran made a hole in the castle. Oh no, said the children. The castle began to go down. When the children and Gran were jumping and bouncing, at that time the knitting needles made a hole in the jumping castle. Come on the next page. It's page number 18 and 19. A man ran up. He was cross with Gran. Look at my castle, he yelled. Go home and don't come back, yelled the man. Gran took the children home. Man was angry because his jumping castle was down. Children were sad too. Gran took the children home. Now come on the next page. Biff told Mum about the castle. Mum was cross with Gran. Gran was sad. Gran was in Chip's room. She looked at the magic key. The key was glowing. When she was having a cup of tea at the same time, Biff started to tell Mum about the jumping castle. Gran was sad about it. Then she went in Chip's room. But what she saw there? The key was glowing? Come on the next page. Gran picked up the key and ran into Biff's room. Look at this, she said. Oh no, said Kipper. It's the magic. The magic is working. Actually, when the Gran came, by picking up the key, children couldn't get enough time to tell her about the magic key. Now let's see what happened on the last page. The magic took them to a new adventure. Now tell me, do you like the story? I liked it too. Now what will you do? You have to read the story at least 3 to 4 times. After that, you will try to learn the difficult words. Now, we will talk about the homework questions. The first question is, write about the things Gran did that got her into trouble. Question number 2 is, why was Mum cross with Gran on page number 20? Question number 3 is, write a short paragraph about Gran using adjectives. And you people will do this work in your literature notebook. And if your notebook is finished, you can use loose sheets to complete the task. Thanks for watching the video and stay blessed.